Good luck on your first pick 5 tickets. Gates open, they're up and racing for a Black Parade. Draws for your lead, running in second or the outside, Dancing Dolphin. In between runners, moving up is Saga, then by the rail Ice Storm. Racing in Peep on the outside, when followed by runner number 9, Empire Princess Jumps. Moving up by the rail, Dugos Paramore, Pudolski. In between runners, Magdapio alongside, Sweet Julian running fourth last, third last Wilkowski, then running by the rail Good Humor, and trailing the group is 9A Mr. Savior, racing in 14th, rounding at the 600. Now they are all after Dancing Dolphin, when moving up by the rail, racing in third, Saga, Black Parade moving up on the outside, third, Jumps running by the rail, Peep, and running by the rail, Ice Storm 6, and down the stretch they come. Now we have Wen by about 2 lengths, running in second, Dancing Dolphin, and on the outside, moving up once again is Saga. Wen leading the field, Saga, a long shot is on the outside, but Wen, and finally Saga just got there over Wen. Then comes for a Black Parade, Dugos Paramore close with Dancing Dolphin for your Pentafecta.